Welcome to the channel, everyone. Today my son and I are going to start building a little hunting cabin on the back corner of our property. It's going to be elevated about 6-7 feet. We're going to try and get the post in the ground today. We're using treated 6x6s, so we're going to get started with that. Okay, we got all the posts in. We got a bunch of temporary braces on here, hold everything square and steady. Now we're just setting where this rim joist is going to be all the way around. So I've just got it clamped up here on the post, describe it underneath, and what I'm going to do, we're a little bit long here, we'll trim those later, but we're going to recess these in 1.5 inches. So we've got to make a bunch of relief cuts, peel that out of there so everything will sit in flush. We'll mark that all the way around our level point, and we'll take this stuff down and we'll saw cut it. finished getting this decking nailed down, and we're ready to put the walls up next. So thanks for watching.